Hi everyone, welcome to Fix My Lock channel. Welcome to Fix My Lock, your ultimate guide for unlocking access to your digital accounts. From recovering lost Gmail accounts to troubleshooting Instagram and X account suspensions, we provide clear, step-by-step tutorials to help you regain control. In today's video, we will assist you how you can get help from Google Help Community. We have split this video into 3 categories. So first, we will discuss what will be your last step if you tried all the methods. Second, we will guide to get help from Google Help Community. Lastly, we will clear why you are getting verification code in same email address. So let's start with first one. You can take this last step if you tried different recovering methods from multiple blogs to multiple YT channel recommendations. Even trying all the methods, you are still not getting the recovery done, or you are not finding the proper video about your issues. Then stick with us, we will guide you through proper way to get help from trustworthy community. So let's move to second category where we will guide you about how to approach Google Help Community. Let's walk you through one of our example case study, where you lost your phone and have 2-step verification turned on. Let's start the demo.
So first you have to open your Google and type Google account help. So open that Google account help and go to the community and just check below the bottom. Or go upwards. There you will find post a question. So go there and there you have to fill out 4 categories. So first category you have to mention your issue. So there you have to mention lost my phone and could not recover my Google account. Then you have to describe your problem clearly. So I already have that in my notes, so I'm going to paste it. And below that you have a category option. There you have to select account access and recovery. Then you have to paste the content which I will be providing in the description. So you can change some of the sentence because don't appear as a bot actually. So go to the next step. There you have to select lost or stolen device. Then it will show some of the options, similar contents. So check whether you have any options that's similar to you. And I get the one option. So I'm going to click the lost option. I forgot the password and my old phone is not working, but in my case my phone is lost. So I'm checking the answers. So after reading it, so I'm going to post my problem. Let's check whether I can recover my account through 2-step verification. So just come out and click that next step. And you have to select which device you are using. So I'm selecting Android. Last step, you have to give your display name and click the get emails when someone responds. One time check it. Then post your issue by clicking the post option. You will get the mail immediately from Google account community. There they will mention your query was posted. Wait for some time. Actually, I get the reply within 6 hours. Maybe you will get in within 24 hours. So wait for it. And this is the mail which I received from Google account community. This person replies to me how account recovery is not possible without recovery options like recovery phone or email address or other verification details like backup codes, last used password. So the possibilities are always going to be 0. So if you remember your password, you can try this one like using the same location or using the same device. But in my case, I already lost my phone, so I can't use the same device. He also mentioned there is no live assistance or support from Google directly. So automated online account recovery is the only option. So you don't trust another person. Your account only recover from you only. So don't trust anyone. Just try from your side. We also posted one more query regarding how we are using the same recovery phone number and same location, but the device we don't have it. So we also mentioned that same. So we waited for the reply. We received a reply saying if you are not able to complete the account recovery or you received your account cannot be recovered, then there is nothing he can do to assist us. So he also advised try to go through the same recovery option after 1 or 2 weeks. So we will go through the account recovery after 2 weeks. If we recover that account, we will post it soon.
So let's move to third category, where we will disclose why you are getting verification code in same email address, which you tried to recover. We posted this query to the community for clarification. We received the replay next day saying, for verification code sent to email account you are trying to recover, most likely because you did not add a recovery email address or you added the same email as recovery. So this is the reason we are stuck with this process. So if you ever set 2-step verification, never forget to add recovery email. So like this, we get some insights from Genuine Place. If you have any doubts or concerns, we are ready to assist you. So feel freedom to comment your problems or go to our profile, you can find a form link. Share your problems there also. We will try to help as much we can. Subscribe our channel if you feel we are genuine to seek help. Thank you for watching our channel. Be safe always.